In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to add custom content to your site, like a widget, a form, or any HTML section you already have prepared, Hostinger Website Builder makes the process simple. I'll walk you through where to find the right option and how to place your code correctly so it appears on your website. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. Make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage more than one project in the same account. This helps avoid editing the wrong website by mistake. After that, click on Website to access your site settings and management area. From there, choose the option that says Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make visual changes and add new content to your pages. When the editor loads, take a moment to let everything fully appear on the screen. Inside the builder, look for the Elements section. This is where Hostinger keeps the different blocks and tools you can add to your page, such as text, images, buttons, and custom code options. Click on Elements, then find and select Embed Code. This is the feature you'll use to insert your HTML into the page. Once you click it, you'll be able to place that embed area wherever you want on your website. Choose the section of the page where the code should appear so your layout stays clean and organized. Now you'll see the area where you can embed your code. This is the place where you simply paste your HTML. Before pasting, it's a good idea to quickly check that your code is complete and formatted the way you want. That can help prevent display issues once it's added to the page. After you paste your HTML into the embed field, click Embed Code to confirm. Hostinger will then insert that custom HTML block into your page. At this point, you should be able to preview how it looks inside the builder. If something doesn't appear exactly the way you expected, double-check the code and make sure it's compatible with the builder. Small formatting issues in HTML can sometimes affect the final result. Once everything looks right, you can continue editing the page as needed. And that's it. That's how to embed HTML code into Hostinger Website Builder quickly and easily.